team. Today, I'm really excited to talk about our new product we are releasing this summer, subscription management. It is the third product part of our Revenue Cloud portfolio. Let's jump right into it.
We are seeing more and more B2B interactions going digital, and these businesses have multiple revenue channels and models through which they sell the product. On the left, you can see all the channels that the customers interact with the business: e commerce, direct sales, mobile app, channel sales, etc. This is not an exhaustive list, but a representative one. On the right, you can see all the different ways that the businesses want to sell the products to the customers. We have one time, pay once and use the product forever, subscriptions, termed versus evergreen, usage and consumption, and finally milestone based. Well, subscription management kind of sits in the middle and ties together all those different combinations. With subscription management, you would be able to manage the complete subscription journey, set up and price the products, create orders, invoices, payments, and refunds. You would also be able to cancel and renew the assets. With the power of APIs, you would be able to deploy this product across any channel, integrate it into an e commerce app, mobile app, or a custom web application of your choice. Using Einstein AI, you can identify the invoices with the risk of late payments. Einstein AI reviews all the invoices, the customer profile, previous interactions, and comes up with a score for each invoice. Since this is all available on the platform, you would be able to deliver a unified customer experience with all the automation and the analytics built in. We have built this product API first, which is easy to deploy and gives you the flexibility to choose your own presentation layer. This product is API first, but not API only, meaning in the future releases, you would be able to do declarative setup, perform different business operations through Lightning UI, which you all love about Salesforce. To top it all off, subscription management is built entirely on core. We have used existing and new core objects to support subscription related use cases. This will give you all the latest and greatest features of the platform right from the beginning of using the product. Subscription management has synchronous and asynchronous APIs to support different use cases. For example, creating an order is a synchronous operation, but generating billing schedules is an asynchronous one. Most of these APIs are available as invocable actions as well. You would be able to embed these actions in your custom flows. With these options, you have the ability to choose if you're using just APIs or just flows or the combination of both APIs and flows to meet your business needs. How do you know if an asynchronous operation is completed? That's where platform events come into play. When an asynchronous operation is completed in subscription management, a respective platform event is posted with a success or error message. You can listen for these events through flows, triggers, or an external listener that is sitting in your organization server. We have a Postman collection with all the APIs for subscription management. We also use certain existing platform APIs that you all know, like Query, Composite, Update as objects, etc. There are different folders in this collection representing different objects that these APIs will act on. As I said before, most of these APIs are available as invocable actions as well. This is a buy now flow that ships with the product. A brief description: this flow takes you through the complete buy now scenario from creation of order, generating invoices, through collection of payment. It can also be invoked from an external system through a REST endpoint. We have an awesome doc portal which has plentiful information about the new objects, object models, APIs, invocable actions, and platform events that will be available for you when the product goes GA this June. With this, let's take a quick look at a demo of an application we have built on top of subscription management APIs and flows. What you see here is a web application built using Salesforce Experience Cloud site. This uses the combination of APIs and flows to help the user with the buying process. Homepage shows the list of all the products that's available for the customer to buy. There are multiple selling models for each product. Users have the ability to choose the preferred selling model. For example, one-time pricing of the Flash Array C product is $25,000, meaning the customer can pay once and use the product forever, or they can subscribe for $1,000 per month in the case of term subscription and $1,400 per month in the case of evergreen subscription. We have different pricing for different models. Each time the user changes the pricing model, we make a call to the pricing API that gives us the real time pricing. This is a new API, part of the subscription management product. Let's go ahead and add a few products to the cart. Now we have three items in the cart summary, and we got price, quantity, and subtotal for each of these items. As a user, they have the option to select the payment method and buy now unassisted. But $17,400 is a little above the user's budget, and they would like to see if they can get a discount. From within the cart page, users have the ability to request for a discount. Sales rep is notified as soon as the user clicks the button. I'm logging into the org as a sales rep, and we can see there is a discount request that has come through. We can also see the grand total is $17,400, matching the user's cart. These are three products that the customer added. Since they are a regular customer, the sales rep wants to provide a 10% discount to all the products. Now, sales rep saves these items. Next, we can go through the usual process of approvals if needed and finally approve the request. Let's jump back to the cart page and refresh it. We can see 10% discount has been applied to all the products, and the cart total is $15,600, which is due today. User is happy with the pricing and they are ready to check out. They select the preferred cart and they hit buy now. This buy now button invokes the same flow we saw a few minutes earlier. Behind the scenes, buy now flow is creating the order, generating invoice, collecting payment, and finally applying the payment against the invoice. My orders page shows all the products that the user placed so far, and we can see the new order here. Moving to my invoices, we can see the invoice for the newly created order. If you look on the right, the invoice is paid in full. We were able to successfully collect the payment from the user's credit card and apply it against the invoice. Under my assets,